Look at all the people, bro. Shit is fucking insane, man. Airport during the holidays is not the move, especially LAX. It's probably one of the worst airports in the entire country, maybe the world. But yeah, little rainy day drive back home. Should be cool. Not gonna talk much. Oh, what the? This guy just causing all this traffic. You know what I'm saying? Like, people just don't know how to drive nowadays, brother. Guys, the rain's not that scary, man. Like, so hard. Just stop raining hard. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Don't fucking do it. Holy. It's honestly kind of crazy. It's getting harder. What the fuck? The roads are so annoying here, bro. I'm like, That guy is old as hell. Oh, it's coming down now. Damn, I can't see anything. That's crazy. Usually you can see like the whole valley right here, like the streets and roads. Like, 'cause we're kind of on a hilltop right now. This is nuts. I can't see anything. A frozen blue Honda Accord. That was kind of chill. This is nuts, bro. That sign just spawned in, I feel like. I feel like I got my render distance sent to like really close. There's really no one in front of you. You're going 28. He's going 28 on the highway. Someone get this guy off the roads, bro. This guy is a danger to the rest of us. You know what I'm saying? Just an insanely... He has his window all the way down. Just an insane individual. Driving white knuckled as fuck. I can't even believe that's a real person, bro. 90% of these people on the roads, AI. Like all these people, AI. They're not even real, bro. You know what I mean? They're like figments of your imagination, just to like fill the void. It's like the Matrix. Like this person, you think this person's had like hopes and dreams and they're real? Like, nah, of course not. That's too many people. Like this person, not real. Not real, bro. You could probably just drive through them. You know what I mean? Like, it's just virtual. Lexus is going slow as fuck. Another Lexus. Another Lexus. It's like the 3 models that they sell too. It's crazy. Oh my. Bro, I want a hatchback so bad. Whether it's an RS6, I'll take an E63 wagon. I don't know if that's considered a hatchback, but I heard they're bringing an M5 Touring to the States. Listen, that might be the dream car, bro. That might be the dream car. Oh, jeez. Oh. What the actual fuck just happened, bro? That's why this guy's here, because some crazy shit's going down back there, bro. Wow, that was insane. Fuck all that, bro. We're getting out of that lane. Look at all the fall colors, man. Seeing yellows, oranges, seeing a little red. Ah! Fuck all that, dude. Damn, it's looking gorgeous. I don't know why, when it's like overcast, not really when it's raining, but when it's overcast, I love the colors, man. Everything just feels like you're on mushrooms or something. That was a surprising amount of traction right there. I just got new tires, but damn, bro, they are gripping right now. Oh my God.